This question asked, which of the following measurements is the heaviest? I see that we have 8 grams, 35 decagrams, and 482 centigrams. Well, we have a problem here. We can't compare these values the way they are because they are all in different units. One is in grams, one is in decagrams, and one is in centigrams. So the first step I have to do is I have to convert all of them to the same unit. Okay, the first thing we'll have to do is convert them all to the same unit. I find it easiest to just convert everything back to the base unit. I can see the base unit for these is going to be grams, okay, because we have decagrams, centigrams, and this one's already in the base unit of grams. So let's go ahead and get started. Looking at A, I can see A is already in the base unit. It's already in grams, so we don't have to do anything to A. But now we're going to go to B. B has 35 decagrams. Decagrams is right here. And I want to go to grams because we're, again, converting everything back to the base unit of grams. If I'm going to grams, I know I'm going to go down to that base unit. Let me make this a brighter color. There we go. If I'm going down, I know I am multiplying by 10. And if I'm taking 35, let me do that in a different color too. If I have 35 and I am multiplying it by 10, I know the decimal point in 35 is going to shift one time to the right. So I now have this empty place value that we have to fill in with a 0, and we now have 350 grams. So 35 decagrams is equivalent to 350 grams. Now, we need to do this for C as well. I see C gives us 482 centigrams. So we're going to start at centi, 482. And we are going to that base unit of grams. I see we're going to have to shift up twice. This means we're going to have to divide by 10 2 times. When I divide 482, divide by 10, that decimal point shifts to the left. So my decimal point is shifting to the left once, and that gives me 48.2 decigrams. But we are not at grams yet. We need to convert again because, like we said, we have to convert, we have to divide by 10 twice. So we're going to do it one more time. We're taking our 48.2 decigrams, dividing it by 10. We know that decimal point will shift to the left one time and give us 4.82 meters. We've now divided by 10 twice. Our decimal point shifted to the left twice, and we have 4.82 grams. So now all of our answers are in the same unit. They're all in grams. Now we need to go ahead and compare them to see which one is the heaviest. I know when we compare values, we have to compare the values by their place values. So let's start with A. A has 8 grams. 8 is in the ones place. B is 350 grams. That's 0 in the ones, 5 in the tens, 3 in the hundreds. And C was 4.82 grams. That's 4 ones, 8 tenths, and 2 hundredths. I know when we compare place values, we always start at the largest place value on the left. The largest place value on the left with any digits in it is the hundreds place. And I can see the only number with a digit in the hundreds place is 350. So 350 is our greatest or heaviest value. So our answer is B. 35 decagrams is the heaviest measurement.